Hey, so this is a very short video, a very short tutorial video on how you can automate WhatsApp messages using Python. This situation can be, this thing can be used in various different areas. कोई scheduled message करना है, किसी को schedule चीजें भेजनी है, and you are somebody who forgets a lot, तो आप इसको automate कर सकते हो. And this also falls under the category of automating the boring stuff. So we'll be using PyWorkit for this, and I guess if you are watching this video, you know how to install modules. So moving on, import PyWorkit. Next step will be PyWorkit dot send what message. Then you will be entering the number that you want to send the message to, comma, send the string value that what message you want to send, like hi, this is an automated WP message. This is an automated WhatsApp message, comma, then enter the hours, I mean in 24-hour format, enter the time, it's 10, and then enter the minutes. I'll enter 57 as the minute, 56 is going on, and then just shift F10. So yeah, in 9 seconds WhatsApp will open. After 15 seconds message will be delivered, you can see over here, and let's just wait for that time period. Okay, WhatsApp is opening. It's pretty quick. Hi, this is an automated WP message. Yeah, that's done. That was a very quick tutorial on how you can send WhatsApp messages using PyWorkit. Not only WhatsApp messages, but you can send a lot of different things. For example, like PyWorkit dot send WhatsApp message immediately. You can Google search them. You can also send an email. You can send WhatsApp messages to a group of people and instantly, and you can do a lot of different stuff. Play around with PyWorkit. This is a very powerful module that I discovered recently, and that's it for now. This is Mr. Lazy signing off.